Ever wondered how Python language works? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that's renowned for its simplicity and readability. Its diverse application makes it a favorite among developers. Whether it's web development, data analysis, or artificial intelligence, Python is at the heart of it all. It's not just about writing lines of code, it's about creating something meaningful with less complexity. So, are you intrigued yet? Let's dive into the inner workings of Python to understand it better. First things first, Python is an interpreted language, but what does that mean? Well, unlike compiled languages that translate your code into machine language before execution, Python does this translation on the fly. Imagine reading a book line by line, understanding each sentence as you go. That's how Python interprets your code. This line-by-line execution offers a distinct advantage. It makes debugging a breeze. If there's an error in your code, Python will stop at the problematic line and throw an error. You'll know immediately where the hiccup is instead of combing through compiled code to locate the issue. Additionally, this interpreted nature allows for immediate feedback. You can write a line of code, execute it, and see the results immediately. No waiting for the entire code to compile. This immediacy not only speeds up development, but also enhances learning for beginners. This interpreted nature of Python is what makes it so user-friendly and easy to learn. Python is also a high-level language. Let's understand what this implies. High-level languages are designed to be closer to human language, making them more user-friendly. They are a far cry from the cryptic, complex codes of low-level languages. The difference is like having a conversation in your native tongue versus trying to communicate in an alien language. Python's syntax is designed to be intuitive and easy to read, which is why it often resembles English. This readability makes Python code easier to write, understand, and maintain. It's like writing a story, where each line of code is a sentence contributing to the plot. The high-level nature of Python is not just about simplicity, it's about making coding accessible. It's about empowering users, whether they are coding novices or experienced programmers, to create powerful, functional, and efficient code without unnecessary complexity. The high-level nature of Python is one of its strongest features, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. One of Python's special features is its automatic memory management. Let's explore this. In the world of programming, managing memory is a crucial task. Python, like a thoughtful friend, takes this responsibility off your shoulders. It uses a system called reference counting to keep track of the number of references to an object. When this count drops to 0, meaning no one is using the object anymore, Python's garbage collector springs into action, freeing up the memory. But wait, there's more. Python also has a cyclic garbage collector, which detects and collects unreachable cycles, preventing memory leaks. This is particularly useful in handling situations where objects refer to each other, creating a cycle that the reference counting system can't break. This automatic memory management system leads to efficient resource usage, making Python a choice language for developers who want to focus more on their code and less on memory management. So Python's automatic memory management is a boon for developers, taking one more thing off their plate. So how does Python work? Well, Python is an interpreted language, meaning it executes code line by line, making debugging a breeze. It's high level, so you can say goodbye to the nitty-gritty of memory management and machine code. Python automatically handles memory, allowing coders to focus on crafting their logic. These qualities make Python both approachable for beginners and robust for advanced applications. And that, in a nutshell, is how Python works. A simple yet powerful language that is loved by many. Thanks for watching.